In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your phone to your PC in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful if you want a smoother workflow between your devices, for example when you're working on your computer, but still need quick access to your calls, texts, or mobile apps. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams in your web browser. Once you're on the main Teams page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might be a small circle with your initials or a picture if you've uploaded one. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that lets you access settings and account options related to your Microsoft profile. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says My Microsoft Account. This is the place where Microsoft keeps all your main account details, like your profile, security info, and connected devices. Click on My Microsoft Account, and your browser will open a new tab taking you to the Microsoft Account website. Once that page loads, you'll see a navigation bar across the top with several sections, such as your overview, privacy, and more. Here, you want to find the section labeled Your Info. This is where you can manage personal details related to your account and how Microsoft identifies you across its services. Click on Your Info to open that page. On the Your Info page, scroll down until you see an option that mentions linking your phone to your PC. It should be clearly labeled Link your phone to your PC. This option is part of Microsoft's effort to connect your devices so they work more seamlessly together. When you click this, Microsoft will guide you through the process of connecting your phone, usually by asking you to install a companion app on your mobile device and sign in with the same Microsoft account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Typically, you'll either scan a QR code from your computer using your phone or enter a code provided on the website. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection and that Bluetooth is turned on if requested. Once the setup completes, your phone and PC will be linked through your Microsoft account. After that, your Microsoft Teams experience can become much more connected, allowing you to move more easily between your phone and your PC while staying signed in with the same account.